My dear students, if the knowledge is such an important resource, and within the resource-based view, knowledge-based view is picking up its importance, then the question immediately arises, then how are you going to manage this resource? Knowledge management. Management of knowledge and knowledge of management. It's important that we need to look what are those processes which are important in managing the knowledge. KM refers to identifying and leveraging. Identifying and leveraging, exploiting the collective knowledge of the organization so that organization is helpful. Organization becomes helpful in competing in the open market through its products, through its services, through its deliverables. KM refers to the process of acquiring knowledge, creating new knowledge, codifying and storing the knowledge, sharing the knowledge, and retaining the knowledge. A knowledge which should be relevant with business. A knowledge which should be relevant and be available throughout the organization. That's why when you speak of KM, immediately you will require a technology, because when you say codifying and storing, or when you're saying disseminating or sharing, you will need a technology which can be based on information processing. So IT becomes important. And that's why from the mid-90s towards the end of 20th century, KM has become an important management process, and knowledge is still holding one of the unique position within the resource-based view. Knowledge acquisition. It's a process. It stands for acquiring those organizational practices which are aimed at collecting the information from external sources. You will collect the information from external source. Manager will use their experience and skill set to convert that into knowledge. Data is converted into information. You put it into context. You can look information from the chamber of industry. You can look information from external sources, from the company books, from the published reports of the other companies within your sector, textile sector, dairy sector, education sector, health sector, media sector. दूसरे लोग, दूसरी फर्म्स क्या कर रही हैं? You collect it, you acquire it. Number 2, knowledge creation. It refers to the organization's ability. अच्छा, जब हम organization ability कह रहे हैं, तो ये organization की दीवारों की ability नहीं है. It is the organization, individuals, managers' ability to develop new ideas and useful ideas regarding various organizational activities, from products and technological processes to managerial practices. Product में भी knowledge चाहिए, process में भी knowledge चाहिए, technology में भी knowledge चाहिए, customer का knowledge भी चाहिए, competitor का knowledge भी चाहिए, supplier की information भी चाहिए. So information and knowledge is becoming important. The third process is knowledge codification. It consists of pinpointing those activities and coding it into the knowledge by using the machine language, storing it in documents and keeping these documents up to date. Knowledge sharing. Knowledge sharing is a process where you transfer knowledge within the organization through informal means, informal communication, through brainstorming communication or brainstorming sessions, through mentoring, through coaching, and of course through IT systems, through emails, through social media. डिपेंड करता है कौन सा चैनल आप यूज करना चाहते हैं. And knowledge retention. It refers to activities related to managing personal turnover. Very important. Personal turnover. Personnel turnover. दोनों ही हैं. मुझे भी मत जाने दें और पर्सनल को भी ना जाने दें. इसलिए कि मैं जब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन छोड़ गया तो लॉस ऑफ एक्सपर्ट नॉलेज विल डेफिनेटली अकर. तो आपने अगर एक्सपर्ट नॉलेज को रिटेन करना है तो आपको उस इंडिविजुअल को, उस वर्कर को, उस मैनेजर को रिटेन करना होगा. उसकी एक मार्केट प्राइस है, आप भी दीजिए. वो रिटेन करेगा, आपके साथ काम करेगा. वो नॉलेज वर्कर है. ही अर्न्स हिज लिविंग थ्रू थिंकिंग. Thank you very much.